SpaceX may not be far away from a big milestone, its first mission that involves both a reused rocket and a reused spacecraft. The California-based company launched a pre-flown Dragon capsule for the first time ever Saturday, June 3, using a two-stage Falcon 9 rocket to blast the robotic craft toward the International Space Station (ISS) on a cargo run for NASA. So the agency is obviously comfortable with used SpaceX spacecraft, at least on uncrewed flights. And APOS is now entertaining the possibility of going with used Falcon 9 boosters on future resupply missions as well, NASA officials said. Launch photos, SpaceX and APOS' first reused Dragon spacecraft and that question has been posed and Van Feng, manager of the ISS Transportation Integration Office at NASA and APOS' Johnson Space Center in Houston, said during a post-launch press conference Saturday. And we are looking at it and he added. And WE and APOS re-evaluating every aspect of it very carefully, and there is no schedule yet when we might go down that path. And SpaceX is working to develop fully and rapidly reusable spaceflight systems, an advance that founder and CEO Elon Musk has said could spur space exploration by slashing costs. Indeed, reusability is critical to Musk and APOS' goal of establishing a million-person city on Mars. The company has already landed Falcon 9 first stages on 11 separate occasions, including Saturday, when the booster came back to Earth for a pinpoint touchdown at Florida and APOS' Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. SpaceX has reflown one of these first stages to date. That milestone came on March 30, during the successful launch of the SES-10 communications satellite. A used Falcon 9 first stage will also help loft the Bulgariasat-1 communications satellite on June 15, company representatives have said. SpaceX has also had success recently in recovering Falcon 9 second stages and payload fairings, the nose cones that protect satellites and other spacecraft during launch. After its work was done on Saturday, for example, the Falcon 9 second stage apparently splashed down softly in the ocean southwest of Australia, Hans Koenigsmann, SpaceX and APOS' vice president of build-in flight reliability, said during SATURDAY and APOS' press conference. And the company intends to begin reflying such pieces soon. And fairing is $5 million, but that should be reusable this year. I'm fairly confident we can reuse upper stage 2 by late next year to get to 100% and Musk tweeted on April 7. The Dragon that blasted off today went to the ISS once before, in September 2014. The first stage that helped launch SES-10 first flew in April 2016 during a different Dragon launch. But there WON and APOS always be such lengthy periods between flights. SpaceX aims to streamline the checkout and refurbishment process for used gear, eventually relaunching Falcon 9 first stages within 24 hours of touchdown.